Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Impala battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your Impala is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. Now, let's locate the battery. Depending on your Impala's model, it might be under the hood or in the trunk, often beneath a cover. With safety measures in place, it's time to disconnect the battery. Always start with the negative terminal. Use an appropriate wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully pull the negative cable off the battery post. Secure this cable away from the battery to prevent accidental contact. Now, repeat this process for the positive terminal, removing that cable as well. Once both terminals are disconnected, you'll need to remove the battery's hold-down mechanism. This could be a clamp, strap, or tray bolt. Loosen and remove it completely. Before lifting, double-check that all cables are clear and won't snag. Batteries are heavy, so use proper lifting techniques. Carefully lift the battery straight up and out of its tray. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. This ensures good contact and prevents corrosion. Carefully lower your new battery into the cleaned tray, making sure it sits securely. Reinstall the hold-down mechanism. Finally, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative, tightening both firmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.